Mebar Kumar Jamatia. I am the former minister of Tripura. I am holding Forest and Tribal Affairs Minister and Fisheries. Today I am really grateful and very excited to visit this project, Sai Property and Project Limited, SPPP, which is known is Andhra Pradesh. And after seeing this project, I was really excited, and I wonder that most people of India have no knowledge about this project. And to the first time I came here to visit this project and to see my own eyes, and project is very doing well. And this red chandan, no? Red chandan trees is growing very well. They have already many ventures, first, second, third, already 6 years, 4 years, 2 years is going on. And this Andhra Pradesh government is really helpful, and they are very cooperative. And SPP Limited, in future, I am very hopeful they will enlarge their project more in other state also. And I am very impressed seeing this project. And I was told that red chandan tree, if there is 10 years, they can cut and they can use. And I was told that per tree, one tree, the value of one tree will be 1 crore. It's very wonderful. So by knowing this, by seeing this, I'm really impressed and excited. And I want to inform all the people in India to encourage this kind of project, Red Chandan project. And it is only Andhra Pradesh, I was told, they are doing well. Of course, in other state, I don't know very well. Even my own state, we don't have this kind of project. And everybody very well known about rubber plantation. Kerala and Tripura is rubber, very famous cultivation. But according to the scientists, environmentally it is not very harmful of rubber garden. This was told by the many scientists. Now recently this project is very new for me and maybe for everybody. But in future, in days to come, this project will be, I think, developed. Is very hopeful. And this red chandan is very famous for worldwide trade. And it's very costly and very valuable trees. And it's a very easy method that they're saying. They have a lot of procedures, lot of guidelines they can provide us. And this SPP Limited project in Andhra Pradesh is doing very well. And I'm very hopeful and excited to know this, that I was guided by their directors. And this project, I think, will advertise in all over the state, even all over the countries. And I was told that there are many beneficiaries, many investors is coming to this project, SPP project, and they're really cooperative. And hopefully, even me, I'm very excited to know. And in future, I'm also planning to cooperate with them.
Thank you, sir.
Even in my own state, I'm going to advertise about this project. And hopefully, the people of India, people of Tripura, people of Andhra Pradesh, people of South India will benefit with this project. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.